Hey friends, this is Sean Washburn from YourExcelTutor.com, and you're watching 30 Tips in 30 Days. And today's topic is the ribbon. And if you can master the ribbon, it'll make your work so much quicker and easier. So the ribbon is a replacement for the old menu system from years ago. And if you look at the ribbon here, there's tabs across the top that group different sets of groups inside them. And so within each tab, there's a grouping of tools and functions, and you can even customize the ways that those are all set up. What I love about this, one thing, you can double click on one of the tabs and you can hide the whole ribbon, and you can bring it back like that. If you use your your scroll wheel in the middle of the ribbon, you can go from one tab to the next. And then probably the best feature is that you can customize it. So if you right click on the ribbon, you go here to customize the ribbon. And I already made a new one here, so you can just click new tab and put a new group inside the tab. And I did that, and I have a group and a tab, and it's up here. It's called Cool Tab. And I just dragged. Once I found stuff, I just dragged it in there. You can just click and drag. And again, you can select how you want this to show up. Click OK. Shows up here. Now I've got my Cool Tab. I can put all the things that I need right there. And I found that to be super effective. I just put all my top features and functions and tools right there, and it saves a lot of time. So hope you enjoyed that tip, and check in tomorrow for another one.